Hello. Welcome to Sam's on a Thursday. My name is Celeste and I am ENS Entertainment CEO. The E stands for Eric, the S stands for Celeste. Listen, we are celebrating DJ Dave Dig birthday party today. Happy birthday, DJ Dave. We are partying. It's early. You still got time. I don't want no one to miss April 5th. It's going down again. The first Tuesday, we are having our ENS Entertainment celebration with DJ Knuckles. You gotta have it. 4 Quarter Boys from Harlem. Outstanding. So we want you to come on down. The theme is gonna be Tax Return Tuesday. Sounds funny. Listen, we just want to remind you, because you know how we do. We like to give back. So we want to remind everybody to file their taxes. And the way we're going to do it is, we just need you to show us a receipt that shows us that you filed your taxes for April. Deadline is April 15th, but you're going to come out on April 5th. Right here. First Tuesday starting at 7 till 2 o'clock. We're going to make it happen. Now, we are also giving back. ENS Entertainment is all about giving back. And we're going to give back and have a charity event where our very own DJ Mario, everybody knows him from Harlem. We want to give back to all of those that survived cancer, even if you know someone that passed away from cancer. So you can come and see us or call us at 917-204-9040. We are selling t-shirts from ENS Entertainment. Just come on down and see us and we'll let you know all the details. But that event is going down on April 2nd, Saturday, on 144th Street and Lenox Avenue, 12 to 5 p.m. Listen, it's all about giving back. So you can come and see Eric, or you can come and see me. This is how we do, and this is how we do it. I'll see you there.
Doing, you know what I'm saying? This ENS Entertainment. We had Sam's tonight, Dave Dig's birthday party. You know, we're gonna give a shout out to Dave Dig. Happy birthday. You know how we do it at Sam's. April 5th going down. ENS Entertainment, do what we do. If you don't know, now you know. Holla at your boy. And we selling shirts is on sale, hats is on sale. There's only thing I do is ENS Entertainment at what is that? Instagram. My bad, Instagram. Instagram is out there, Facebook is out there. Holla at us and we get at you, alright? Pre-shirts if you want them, pre-order shirts if you want them. That's how we doing it this year.